My back's fine though. It's the shoulders that killed me. The years of that.
Years.
Oh yeah. It's a core.
What are you doing?
Well, I should be doing chest because that's
Do
what.
chest.
So, but I was going to ask him for some help.
Oh yeah, with the bench. He needs help with his bench.
My bench sucks.
Anything I can do, man.
I still can't manage to comfortably get to where I enter the picture.
What are you mixing up there, Greg?
Some BCA stack grape in my bottle of water.
You gonna sip on that during the workout?
And I also got shock therapy pre-workout. 2 scoops in there. 2 scoops in there.
I see.
What?
I see a lot of product. You offer me pump?
Yes, sir.
I got my
already
pump.
set, ready to try.
I'm ready to go.